Well, hello there. Here I am in Hakuba mountain range in northern Japan Alps. Yeah, looks like some people are enjoying spring skiing down there. And that's a Tsugaike Mountain Lodge, and this area is a highland alpine meadow. In early summer, you'll see wildflowers galore all over. And here is the panoramic view of Hakuba mountain range, and some of those peaks are around 10,000 feet tall. You know, this vast meadow is going to be gorgeous with wildflowers in early summer, so I'm going to have to come back. And I think I found the route I want to try. So it's going to be a direct approach to the summit, which is the Hakubanorikura mountain, which is around 8,000 feet at the top. I see a couple of backcountry skiers coming down now. Now the mountain lodge can be seen down below at the elevation around 6,000 feet. And reaching the summit at around 8,000 feet in about a 1 mile distance from the mountain lodge, which means about 2,000 feet elevation gain in about a mile. And that's the summit, almost there. And look at the sweeping view. Wow. All right, I made it. You know, the top is pretty large. I mean, spacious. Look at that. Wow. Now it's time to descend, and I'm looping around instead of directly descending, you know, that steep slope where I came up. And that's where I was, where I came from. I mean, it's part of it. Thank you, God. And the skyline of the beautiful Hakuba mountain range over there. Well, that was a pretty good snow hike and good workout, actually. And I'm gonna have to come back for summer's wildflower paradise.